Welcome back to the channel. Today's word is prerogative. We can call it as prerogative. Its a synonym is a privilege. So giving and privilege to somebody else who is that is not available for everyone. We can use it as something that certain people are able to do or have, but it is not available for everybody else to do that. It is limited to a certain number of people. So when we give privilege to somebody else, we can say that it's a prerogative for them. We can use it as Alex makes all the big decisions. That's his prerogative as company director. Obviously, same privileges are not available for everybody to have. It's limited for the company director. Diving used to be the prerogative of the rich, but now a wider range of people are able to doing it to do that. Obviously, it was like long time ago. It was limited to certain number of people, but now diving is quite common thing. Anybody else can enjoy that privilege. The royal prerogative is basically the special rights who are reserved for a monarch or a queen, basically. It's president's prerogative to nominate judges who share his political philosophy. In fact, it may be a prerogative of a think piece to provide precisely that thing. It was the statistics office that assumed the prerogative of selection because obviously it is limited. Not all are allowed to do that. The company's mission is his prerogative as long as he is in power. So that prerogative is limited for him as long as he is performing that certain duty. Another thing we can use it as the royal prerogative. It's simply certain number of privileges or powers were just limited for royals to enjoy. It's not available for all general people to have that prerogative. So we can say that the prerogative is an authority. It's a power that is limited to certain number of people. It's a privilege. Not everybody else could enjoy that. So it's the limited privilege. So it's known as the prerogative. Thank you.